Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the latest news and chart data to help you make informed trading decisions. Today, September 2nd, 2024, we're taking a deep dive into Intel Corporation, INTC, a company that has been in the news lately for its potential business restructuring. Recent reports suggest that Intel is considering major changes, including spinning off or selling its manufacturing business, as it seeks to revitalize its operations and compete more effectively in the fast-growing AI market. Intel's stock has rallied in recent weeks on the back of these restructuring rumors, with investors hoping that these moves will unlock value and improve the company's prospects. However, there are also concerns about the potential impact of these changes on Intel's ability to succeed as a service foundry, as well as the company's overall future in the fab space. Let's start by looking at the daily chart for Intel, covering a significant period of time and providing a broader context for the recent price action. The overall trend for Intel over the past year has been bearish, with the stock price declining steadily from its high in late 2023. However, we can see that the decline has slowed in recent months, and the price action appears to be consolidating around a support level between $20 and $25. This suggests that the bearish momentum may be waning, and the stock could be poised for a potential rebound. However, it's important to note that the stock is still trading below its 200-day moving average, which indicates that the long-term trend remains bearish. The recent rally in INTC's stock price could be attributed to the restructuring rumors, but it's still too early to say whether this rally will be sustained. Let's zoom in on the recent price action on the 1-hour chart to gain a more granular perspective on INTC's short-term trajectory. Here, we can see that Intel has been trading in a relatively tight range over the past few weeks, with the price oscillating between support and resistance levels. The support level appears to be around $20, while the resistance level seems to be around $25. This sideways movement suggests that the market is indecisive about the direction of INTC's stock price, and the stock is likely to continue trading within this range in the near term. It's interesting to note that the recent rally in INTC's stock price, which was triggered by the restructuring rumors, was met with strong resistance around the $25 level. This indicates that the market is not fully convinced about the potential for a significant rebound in INTC's stock price. Now, let's examine the 15-minute chart to see what's happening in the very short term. This time frame is ideal for identifying short-term price movements and potential trading opportunities. We can see that Intel has been trading in a tight range on the 15-minute chart as well, with the price oscillating between support and resistance levels. The support level appears to be around $20, while the resistance level seems to be around $25. This sideways movement suggests that the market is indecisive about the direction of INTC's stock price in the very short term. It's worth noting that the 15-minute chart seems to be reflecting the indecision and volatility we saw on the daily and hourly charts. This suggests that the market is still struggling to find a clear direction for INTC's stock price. However, it's important to remember that this is just a snapshot of the short-term price action. As we saw on the daily chart, the overall trend for Intel remains bearish, and it's important to be mindful of the potential for a reversal. Looking at the hourly chart from the past week, we can see a strong positive breakout around August 12th, driven by the news of Intel's strategic options. This breakout pushed the stock price above the resistance level around $20 and created a new support level around $21. The price action on this chart confirms the potential for a short-term rebound, but also highlights the presence of resistance around $25. If Intel can break through this resistance level, we could see the stock price rally to new highs, potentially towards the $30 level. However, it's crucial to remember that the bullish momentum may be short-lived, as the overall trend remains bearish. The potential for a sustained rebound depends heavily on whether Intel's restructuring plans gain traction and deliver positive results for the company. This is a crucial factor to watch in the coming months, as it could determine the long-term trajectory of INTC's stock price. In conclusion, Intel Corporation, INTC, is at a pivotal point, with its restructuring plans potentially ushering in a new era for the company. The recent rally in INTC's stock price suggests that investors are hopeful about these changes, but the market remains indecisive about the short-term direction of the stock. The daily chart indicates that INTC's stock price is consolidating around a support level between $20 and $25, with the potential for a rebound, but the long-term trend remains bearish. The hourly chart highlights a strong positive breakout around August 12th, driven by the news of Intel's strategic options. This breakout created a new support level around $21 and pushed the stock price above the $20 resistance level, suggesting a potential for a short-term rebound. However, the hourly chart also shows that the stock is facing resistance around $25, which indicates that the market is not fully convinced about a significant rebound. The 15-minute chart reflects the indecision and volatility observed on the larger timeframes, confirming that the market is still struggling to find a clear direction for INTC's stock price. Overall, the market is likely to remain volatile in the near term, with INTC's stock price likely to oscillate between support and resistance levels. Key price levels to watch in the short term include the support level around $20 and the resistance level around $25. If Intel can break through the $25 resistance level, we could see the stock price rally to new highs, potentially towards the $30 level. However, a sustained rebound depends heavily on the success of Intel's restructuring plans. In the long term, the overall trend for Intel remains bearish, but there is a potential for a reversal if the restructuring plans deliver positive results for the company. Investors should closely monitor the development of Intel's restructuring plans and its impact on the company's financial performance. This will provide valuable insight into the long-term trajectory of INTC's stock price.